now. I'm not feeling any lesser. I promised myself to treat myself and visit a nearby town. Climbing to the top, or throw myself off in an effort to make ends meet. Never what it's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch at a church where people are saying, my love, that's done. She stood him up. No point in us. We may as well go home, 'cause I did on my own, alone again. Naturally, think that only yesterday I was cheerful, bright and gay, looking forward to wouldn't do the role I was about to play. But as if to knock me down, reality came around, and without so much as a mere touch, but the little pieces leaving me to doubt. Talk about God in His mercy, oh, if He really does exist, why did He desert me in my R&B? I truly am.
Napapahiya ako. Ano kabisado ko naman yun Ano meron kasi isa dito. Naiimbiyer na ako talaga. Kanina pa. Naiinis ako nung nakita ko siya. Siya yung gumawa nung graphics ni Go. Kung kilala niyo siya.
Pwede yung ba natapakan?
Ha?
Pwede mo natapakan?
Hindi. Naiimbiyer na nga ako doon. Kapal ng mukha niya. Bakit? Kala niya maganda siya. Tangina niya.
Pisensya mo yun.
Nauna lang niyang makilala si Go, pero mapapasa akin pa din si Go.
Alone again. Naturally.